What's going on, guys? So I can tell you right now that this is probably one of the dumbest things that I've ever freaking done, but we're gonna do it anyway because this drone here, this Mavic 3 Classic, is supposed to have the best night video feature out of any drone, and I've got to figure out if it really does. There's not really that much light outside, but with the amount of light that is right on the street here, I want to see how well it does. So let's go check it out. Okay guys, let's go outside. Like I said, this is probably like one of the dumbest things I've ever decided to do, but I really want to try this. And I don't know a better place to try it rather than home, because if something goes wrong, I've got a place to ship it off. Now I do have LAANC approval. I know that there's the power lines here. What we're going to try and do is going to launch from the truck here like I usually do, and then we're going to raise up. We're going to try and get some of the neighborhood lights and everything, and then come back. It's not going to be a long flight. So let's put this drone up in the air. Now the sensors are going to be pointless tonight. The first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to start screen recording. Okay, so we're screen recording now, and then I'm going to put it into night mode. And it says obstacle avoidance is unavailable in night mode, and I understand that. And we have to make sure that we have our anti-collision lights on. Check is complete.
Takeoff.
And there we go. It looks like something out of Close Encounters of the Third Kind, right? So I know that these power lines are probably a lot taller than I'm thinking. But we're going to give it a shot. I don't have the good control sticks either. Oh yeah, I'm way above them. So guys, you know, tell me what you think. This is night mode on the Mavic 3 Classic. I'm going to fly over towards the town hall. This is our town hall and our fire department over here. I mean, you're not going to get this kind of quality out of any drone. I've had footage on the Mavic 2 Pro, and let me tell you, it's not even close. These sensors on this drone are absolutely incredible. Now we're at 181 feet. I'm not brave enough to go much lower than that. Like I said, we're not going to do this much. But look at that. I am just 100% blown away by this right now, guys. Yep, that's our town hall. Again, I see power lines, but I'm 182 feet up in the air, so I believe that I'm good. So we're gonna come back, or we're actually gonna go up a little bit. I'm not nervous at all. What are you talking about? Nervous? Me? Alright, so let's see if we can zoom in while we're in this feature. Okay, we cannot zoom in. Okay, that's also good to know. Look at this, guys. I mean, obviously we can pull out the gimbal. And this is Quinnipiac, Michigan at night. Right now there's the park. You can kind of see my house. My house would be right in the center of your screen there as I'm putting it towards the center. Now, I only got LAANC approval for an hour, so it's not like I'm going to be able to do a huge long video. But I can't wait to see this on the laptop and to edit this video out, because this is fantastic. This is amazing. If you guys appreciate this, go ahead and hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and let me know, thank you for doing this, because not too many channels are doing this kind of content right now. And I really didn't think that my neighborhood would have enough light in order to even do anything like this. So we're doing a full orbit of my house, way too high up in the air, only because I am afraid of power lines, and you should be too. I have no obstacle avoidance at all. In fact, I really thought this was just going to be a botched experiment. I really didn't think it was going to work. Check that out. Raise up the gimbal. I mean, you can see all the lights in the neighborhood. Not only that, but you can see the lights from the paper mill off in the background. All right, I can actually see the drone better at night, because I can see the lights. Okay, we're gonna bring it down. Bring it down, bring it down, bring it down. There we go. Keep coming down. Okay. Now, let's start flying forward. I know there's a tree there. That is one benefit of flying where you're familiar is that you know all the ins and outs of your surroundings. Isn't that neat? I mean, honestly. Who would have thought you would be able to do something like this? And it does have the landing light on. We're going to fly this over here. Don't have any cars coming. Okay. Full stick forward. Full stick back. Now, as you can see, that this drone is not going to do any sort of tracking or anything like that, because there's no way for it to track you or do anything. It's got no sensors whatsoever. This thing is just flying out in the air, and it's using every inch of that sensor, every part of the computer system inside that drone to stitch together all of these images that are coming in as video, and it's turning it into a beautiful, beautiful video. So let's put it up in the air one more time, and let's see if we can even get a shot of the moon. I don't know how this is gonna look, but right now this looks freaking amazing on this screen. All right, enough of that. Scroll down with the gimbal. Up in the distance there, that is a Billerud paper mill. Like I said, you can see so much with this sensor. Bring the gimbal down a little bit. Okay, so we're going to do a little bit of a half orbit. Nothing too fancy. Again, this is my first time doing this ever on this drone. I did do a little bit of night flying while it was an early morning flight with the Mavic 2 Pro, but I don't really count that because the sun was coming up. We're almost at 10 o'clock at night, guys. And I can see the drone all the way over here.
Maximum flight altitude reached.
Okay, we've reached 400 feet. We're going to turn it back towards us. There is my neighborhood, guys. Quinnipiac, Michigan at night. And you can see that we're still small enough that our traffic lights turn off at night. Right underneath there is the Big 10. It's a sports bar, a couple gas stations. And the one big highway that goes through town. Now we're back over towards the fire department and the town hall. And then from the town hall is basically a straight shot to my house. What do you think, guys? Put it in the comments below. I mean, I really didn't think I was going to go this long. But number one, the drone is so easy to see. And number two, the footage is remarkable. So we're gonna bring the drone in because we're pretty much to the limit that I set through the FAA. In fact, I overshot the truck. And we're gonna bring it down. And my stupid idea seems to be a pretty good one right now. And I'm not gonna expect this to land itself on its own. Bring it back. Like I said, close encounters of the third kind here. Bring it over here a little bit more so I don't have to jump up and grab it on top of the tonneau cover. And that's it, guys. Just so you can see, guys, I'm not joking around. This is 10:15 at night. This is not an early morning kind of a thing. This is late at night, and I didn't really know what to expect. In fact, I don't even think that the GoPro 11 that I had on my head is going to have as good a picture quality as the drone is going to have. Hopefully the audio comes through good. If it doesn't, I have a way to fix that, but it's neither here nor there. Like I said, if you appreciate the fact that I was willing to go out there and try this for you guys, because I don't see it very much online at all, hit that subscribe button and hit the like button and hit the notification bell so that you can be notified the next time I do something stupid on YouTube, which is quite a bit here, actually. I appreciate you guys for coming on for this ride with me, and we'll see you later on down the road. Bye, guys.